Welcome to Digital Wisdom. My name is Bobby Thomas. Lead generation is one of the most talked topic in the digital marketing world. So it's always important to get quality lead to your business. The advantage of lead generation is like to get a generate quality lead for your business, service, or products, and sometimes drive leads your marketing funnel to help to get more conversions. And using lead generation we can find out the people who interest on your business. So today I'm talking about Google ad lead extension. Using Google ad lead extensions we can add more options to your Google ads. It will help you collect the leads directly. You can download as leads, or you can connect into your CRM. So to create a Google ad extensions, log into your Google dashboards. So you can create a lead form extensions in Google Ads and add to a campaign. You can add a lead form extensions to search, video, discovery, and display campaigns. So mostly people in your audience visit a Google property such as YouTube and interact with the ad that contains the lead form extensions. When people open the lead form, they can choose to submit their contact information such as email, address, phone number, etc. In the dashboard, select the account and there is a extensions button. You can see a top corner. There is a add extensions there. Click on there. Then you can see a lead form extensions. Then it's very simple. You can add a headline, your business name, description, and the contact in the contact information. You can check the information. You can fill what are the things you need to you wish to collect from there. You can tick the check boxes there. Then you can add any questions. Then you can add a background images. Then you can there is an option to thank you and thank you like headline and description there. Then you can add a call to actions like visits website or something like that, or download something, and call to action URL, so it will redirect to the URL. uh, and the same time the you can select the call to action buttons here like book now, contact us, etc. So the important fact is like that when you're looking to create a Google ad extension, uh, uh, you always need a privacy policy. So always remember when you before you create a Google ad action for form filling ads. So you should create a privacy policy on your website, and you should link to your ad extensions. Finally, after creating this type of ads, you can download leads from your dashboard from that extensions ad extensions. And the same as also Google is giving the opportunity to transfer the content into your CRM. So if you are a digital marketer or a business person who wish to run Google ads to collect quality leads from internet or Google, using Google search or display or video ads, I always prefer to add this extension to improve your performance in Google search. If you have any doubt regarding Google Ads extensions or any implementations, you can type below to the videos. Thank you for watching videos.